Just another look, BT-01. And the speaker connects there where you can see, and then the battery connects here, like so. That's the battery, so completely changeable by the looks of it. I think it's glued down. And but there's your battery. It's like I still think it's like an old Android phone. I wouldn't say it's the most waterproof item myself. I wouldn't give it a high rating for waterproof. Anyway, bye for now, 7-3. Just some more tear down here of the BT-01. That's what that looks like. Just the housing unit. And the buttons. And there's the, from the speaker side, there's your LCD here. Okay. It's got a ribbon connector there. If we turn the whole unit over carefully, like so, that's what we've got there. And then the battery is here. And just to get it apart, it's just 2 screws at the bottom there of the housing. And then there's 4 screws here, which go 1, 2, 3, and then 1 there. And that's it. Bye for now.